Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Air. Children, in this lesson we are going to learn about introduction about air, uses of air, components of air, existence of air through experiments, characteristics of air through experiments, meaning for air pollution, causes of air pollution, health issues caused by air pollution, measures taken to prevent of air pollution. Let us discuss one by one. Children, the first concept is introduction about air. Children, what do you mean by air? Air is one of the natural resources. The earth is surrounded by layers of air is called as atmosphere. What do you mean by atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by layers of air is called atmosphere. Air is a mixture of many gases. Air is very essential for sustaining the life of living beings. Children, already we know that air is a mixture of many gases. Among that, oxygen is very essential for sustaining the life of all living organisms to do respiration. Inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. Air is not visible, but its presence can be felt. For example, when we walk on the road, sometimes we feel that air push us, right? One more example, we could see the leaves of the trees are fluttering when air blows too high. This is a picture of earth, atmosphere, and this is a picture of air. These are the basic definitions of air. Children, next is uses of air. Air consists of different types of gases. In that, oxygen plays a very important role in the life of living beings, right? We use oxygen in air for respiration, right? We cannot live without air. We cannot live without oxygen, right? Oxygen is very important for fuels to burn. Animals and plants need oxygen for respiration. Oxygen is necessary for fuels to burn. There are many more uses of air. You learn about these in the next classes. Children, the next is components of air. This is a picture of components of air. Air is a mixture of many gases. Air is a mixture of gases such as nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.04%, water vapor, noble gases and dust particles 0.96%. So, in this picture, you can observe the different components of air. See, nitrogen gas is the major component of air. Children, 21% of gas is required for our respiration present in the air. 0.04% is the normal percentage of carbon dioxide in the air. See, carbon dioxide 0.04% is the least component present in the air. This is about the components of air. Children, next is existence of air through experiments. Children, what do you mean by existence? Presence of air through experiment. Children, we are going to do some experiments in order to know the presence of air in our surroundings. experiment number 1. Take a glass and place a candle in the plate and ignite it. Then invert a glass on a candle. After some time, the candle gets put off. Why? Because oxygen requires for burning the candle. Once again, children, take a glass and place a candle in the plate and ignite it. Then invert a glass on a candle. After some time, the candle gets put off. Why? Because oxygen requires for burning the candle. Observe the below given pictures. Therefore, we can understand that air contains oxygen, which helps in the burning of candle. Children, experiment number 2. Observe carefully. Press a piece of dry paper to the inner bottom of a glass. Next, invert the glass and press it carefully into a container filled with water. Then, piece of paper does not get wet because the surface of the glass tumbler consists air and it does not allow water to get the paper wet. Now slowly tilt the glass. The air bubbles comes out of the tumbler and water goes inside. By this experiment, we can understand that air occupies space and air has weight. Children, observe the below given picture. Children, next is characteristics of air through experiments. Observe the following images. A girl is blowing a balloon. A balloon size and shape is increased because air occupies space inside the balloon. Observe the second image. Tag a 2 air-filled balloons to a stick and blast one of the balloon in it. The stick starts swinging up and down. From this, we can understand that the balloon containing air will swing towards the downside due to the weight of the air. Similarly, the balloon which does not contain air will swings upside. From this, we can understand that air has weight. Similarly, observe the third picture. See this picture. One lady, what she is doing in the oven? She is blowing the air into the oven. Already we know that air consists oxygen and this oxygen helps to burn the fire to cook the food. Therefore, air helps things to burn. You will know more about the uses of wind energy in the unit Amazing Energy. Moving air is called wind. Children, what do you mean by wind? Moving air is called wind. Wind has enormous energy. So what do you mean by enormous? More. Wind has more energy. For example, roofs of houses are carried away by strong wind due to the enormous energy. While walking on a street, sometimes we feel the wind pushing us due to the enormous energy. Children, next is meaning for air pollution and causes of air pollution. The mixing chemicals, dust, microorganisms which are harmful to man and other organisms into air is called air pollution. Once again, observe carefully the mixing chemicals, dust, microorganisms which are harmful to man and other organisms into air is called air pollution. Causes of air pollution. Air is polluted by the smoke released by factories, automobiles, burning of substances and crackers. Children, observe the below given pictures. Children, next is health issues caused by air pollution. Observe the below given images. Air pollution causes serious health issues like heart diseases, cancer, breathing problems, etc. It has a negative impact on growth of plants and their crops. It is very dangerous. Okay. Next, some animals resources may disappear and die due to air pollution. Children, next is measures taken to prevent of air pollution. Using public transport instead of using own vehicles. Installing emission control systems. Regular checkup of vehicles, proper maintenance and repairing the vehicles so that carbon dioxide emission from through vehicles will be less. Avoid burning of substances which produce more carbon dioxide like tires, rubber and plastic into the environment. Using electricity and gaseous fuel instead of petrol, diesel and coal, because by using LPG gases and electricity releases very less poisonous gases into the air compared to other fuels. Preventing the chemical discharges from factories into the air. Observe the below given images. Children, by this we have completed this chapter. Note down the home assignment. Answer the following questions. What is atmosphere? Second question. Write the uses of air. Third question. Mention the components of air. Fourth question. What are the health issues caused by air pollution? Children, we will join in the next class. Thank you. Take care.